Hello, just wanted to tell you, yes, we are offering one of the best bleaching hair course online. This course will show you how to prepare the hair, how to bleach the hair, what chemical ingredients you mainly need to bleach the hair, how to get them washed, dried, and then turn them into nice, long, healthy, still in high quality blonde hair ponytails. We also have tape hair making course and weft hair making course. If you sign up for this hair bleaching course, you're gonna get those two courses free from us. As you see here, the hair is being prepared and then some chemicals being added into large steel container, and then the hair is being slowly placed into the chemicals so the hair gets bleached. This seems it's been done like in 2 minutes, but however it's gonna take a full day of your time. So please be prepared for spending your whole day for bleaching the hair. At least at the end you could get made 1 kilo of hair bleached into blondes, or you could get 10 kilos of hair, bleached into blondes. Whereas if you use your old method using bleaching cream, which helps you to get your hair bleached, but usually you're gonna get only one ponytail and you're gonna spend about 3-4 hours at least to get one ponytail bleached. But using our method, our technology, you're gonna get bleached your whole ponytails, whole kilogram of ponytails, or maybe a whole pound of hair ponytails, bleached into nice, shiny blondes. There's one thing you need to note. If you have virgin hair, which is in black natural color, you can get it to a light blonde color. But if you have gray hair, nice, shiny, remy, virgin gray hair, then you can get it turned into platinum blonde hair. But let's say you've got some colored hairs, like colored into browns or colored into reds or other colors. Those hairs could become very beautiful light browns. There's one important thing to note. Please do not use any hairs that are involved, they are affected or they are painted with hennas. Henna destroys the hair. We have tried, we have used, we have experienced for many years coloring henna. At the end you're gonna get destroyed hair, bad hair. Henna hair is not good at all. Everything else can be bleached into nice, beautiful, shiny, healthy blondes. And thank you so much for your interest in our bleaching hair technology online course. Feel free to contact us, to comment below, to like us, and then ask for further details how to sign up for our hair bleaching course online. Thank you. Bye.